Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaguro. Ngayong araw ay may bago tayong update at tungkol ito sa ating Performance-Based Bonus or PBB 2022. Para po ito sa lahat ng mga DepEd employees for fiscal year 2022 update as of May 29, 2024. PBB 2022 update. We've just received confirmation from DBM NCR that the first batch of fiscal year 2022 PBB for DepEd, including the NCR, was officially received on May 21, 2024. It's now undergoing evaluation. Stay tuned for updates. May 29, 2024, Ms. Ruby Ana Bernardo, President, Alliance of Concerned Teachers in CR Union. This refers to your query relative to the update on the status of the fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus or PBB for DepEd employees. As verified with the bureau in charge of this department, the request for the first batch of the fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus of the DepEd, including the NCR, was only received by the DBM on May 21, 2024 and is currently being evaluated. May we therefore suggest that the matter be closely coordinated with the DepEd Central Office. Yun lamang po ang ating update ngayong araw. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please follow our Facebook page, BFAM. Salamat!